Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to convert any image or picture file into PDF file using Photos app in iPhone. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see the Photos applications on the app. So here I'll show you two ways how you can do it. So just open firstly the Photos application. So I have some image or picture. So I want to convert this image into PDF. So just click on select and select the image or picture which you want to convert into PDF. Just let me select this one, and now below you can see here share option. As you can see, one icon on the left bottom. Just tap on it. Now just scroll down below and you can see here one option written as print. Just tap on this print. Now you can see a preview below, a preview of the respective image or picture file. So now swipe with two fingers diagonally to increase the preview. So now you can see, so below you can see once again a share icon. Just tap on it, and now you can see here above it's showing you a PDF document. So it's already converted into PDF, but you need to click on the copy, or you need to click on the save to files in order to save it on your respective iOS or iPhone devices. So now let me click on save to files. You can copy also, whichever you like. So let me click on save to files and let me select this on my iPhone. Let me click on save. Now the image file has been converted into PDF file and it's being saved in the file application. So this is the first method, and for the second method what you need to do is once again tap on the select and select the photo or image whichever you want to select. Say here I want to select this image, so let me select it, and once again below you can see a share option or the share icon. Just tap on it, and now just scroll down below again and you will see here option written save to files, right? Just click on here to save it to the files. I'll select on my iPhone, click on save. So it is being saved, but it is not converted yet to PDF file. So let me open the files application. Now just locate to the folder where you have saved. So on my case it's on my iPhone. So this is the image which I have saved right now. So now just what you need to do is just tap and hold on this picture file and just scroll down below. Now you can see here create PDF. Just tap on it. So the image has been converted into a PDF. So let me show you its details, whether it's PDF or JPG. Let me go to get information. So now you can see here the extension is .pdf, and even you can see below in the information kind is a PDF document. And let me show you the original image file. So let me go to the information again. Now you can see the extension is .jpg, and you can see in the under the information is kind as JPEG image. That means it's a image file. So the earlier file also being saved here. So let me show you whether it's a PDF or JPG which we have converted. So you can see during the first method we have converted this image, and now you can see it's a PDF file. So you can see in the information also kind as a PDF document. So using this method you can easily convert any image or picture file into PDF file using Photos app in iPhone devices. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.